Cry tears of joy. Understanding this emotional English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and emotional English phrase, cry tears of joy. This phrase is not only common in English but also rich in emotional expression. Let's dive into what it means, how to use it, and some examples. Cry tears of joy is a phrase used to describe the act of crying when one is extremely happy or relieved. It's a paradoxical expression where tears, usually associated with sadness, are shed because of happiness or relief. This phrase captures the complexity and depth of human emotions. This phrase is often used in emotionally charged situations, like weddings, graduations, or when receiving great news. It's used to convey the intensity of happiness one feels. For example, if someone says, "I cried tears of joy when I heard the news," it means they were overwhelmed with happiness. 1. At the wedding, the bride's mother cried tears of joy. 2. When he found out he had passed the exam, he cried tears of joy. 3. Seeing her long-lost friend, she couldn't help but cry tears of joy. These examples help in understanding the context and emotion behind the phrase. In English-speaking cultures, expressing emotions openly is often valued. Crying tears of joy is seen as a genuine, heartfelt response. This phrase is also used in literature and movies to depict strong emotional scenes. Cry tears of joy is a beautiful phrase that shows the complexity of human emotions. It reminds us that sometimes, happiness can be so overwhelming that it moves us to tears. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase in your English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.